Hello. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Bryce Tubbs. So today's video is going to be talking about, just how your focus is being misguided or misused. Okay? So let me tell you a story about something that goes on and I see in my clients and in my own business in the past that is going to really perfectly talk about what I'm doing or what I'm talking about for the video. You know, you get into business and you're like, I need to focus on my business 24/7. I need to be thinking, how many different things can I do inside of the business to make the business go forward? Everything is about the business, and how can I get Facebook to work for me? How can I get Instagram to work for me? How can I get LinkedIn to work for me? How can I get Pinterest to work for me? Twitter, all these random YouTube, all these random different platforms. And that right there is a trap. You feel like you're being focused because you're focusing on your business, but real focus comes when you're focused within the task in your business as well. So it's a veil of focus where I'm focused on my business, but inside the business, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Instead, it needs to be I'm focused on my business, and inside my business, I do one thing that's going to move the needle forward. Maybe the most I would do is 3 things at one time, and the needle is forward. Some of the most successful people that I know only do 1 or 2 things. If two maybe max, each person that they have, like each of the leaders, only focus on one thing at a time. And it's incredibly interesting when you see that, because it's like everybody who's not, or most people who are not successful, they're doing 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, a million different things. Then you hear from these successful people like, yeah, I only work like 1 hour a day, or I only work 3 days a week, or like Bryce, I don't work around between the hours of 12 o'clock and 2 o'clock. What do you mean you don't work from 12 to 2? I go to the gym and maybe I'll go out to lunch 12 to 2. How is that possible? How are you able to grow your business? Because the hours I do work, I focus on 1 or 2 different things. It keeps growing. I don't have to do as much as everybody else. I'm still not even to the point as little work as what I want to be doing. Like I said, some of the people I talk to and my colleagues and the people who are a little bit ahead of me, they're like, yeah, man, if I don't feel like working, I don't have to work. In fact, my business actually does better when I'm not there. And I'm like, oh, wow. Now that's beautiful. That's really beautiful. That's where you really want to be in your business. Okay? That's how you get focused. Because once you're able to get your business to be in a point like that, then all you're really doing is strategic work, and you're thinking, okay, cool, so where's the next direction we want to go? How do we move to this current direction even faster? Can we do ads? Can we go get joint JV partners? What can we do? Can we do collaboration? How are we going to be able to go get, the growth and the success that we really want? What is that next level? But if you're constantly in the weeds, constantly thinking, oh, I got to do this, you're basically having another job. You quit your job to go have an even more difficult job that pays even less than your original boss did. And instead of having a boss, now you have a computer that's yelling at you and a business that's yelling at you and bills that are yelling at you. So you replaced a person with inanimate objects that constantly need your attention and you can never please. Okay, guys, so if that's something you don't want to do, if that's something you want to move away from, so you can get the life of freedom, be able to do what you want, when you want, where you want, with who you want, I recommend that you go join my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. Inside, just like the name suggests, we're going to give you strategies on moving towards that freedom that I believe you deserve. Whether it's flowcharts, live training, whether it's free training, whether it's interviews with industry, either leaders or coaches that are already in a position that you might want to be in. I recommend that's where you go. That's the first place that I would go, and that's the first place I actually, did go. So, hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. I'm going to have a link to those groups in the comment section and in the description of the video below. Have a great day. Feel free to hit that share button so other people can benefit from this information, so they're not hoodwinked by that feeling of fake focus. Have a great day, guys. Take it easy and see you later. See you soon.